All right, today I work on her posterior. I'm looking at the pictures I have. I got that too far down. There we go. All right, I'm doing the border of the pockets right now. I made a template so that I could get this correct. That was kind of weird, but it'll work out eventually. There's a rivet that goes right in the pocket corner there. After I paint this monster clay to match the clay, I'm going to take some regular clay and fill in between the borders of the pockets to make it look a little more realistic, or at least that's my goal. This is a indoor paint, and it's a flat finish paint. You don't want shiny when you got your clay isn't shiny. Let's see, get that out just a little bit. Hell, maybe I'll leave it right there. Yeah. All right, I'm going to let that dry, and I'll come back in a few minutes and start detailing wrinkles in the clothing and stuff like that. As you can see, I've got some holes to fill in the legs, and I got to start doing the wrinkles in these back part of the shotgun Chaps. Okay. Oh, I got the pockets to do yet. I'll get those in a little while. has little wrinkles that come out from the seam of the pants. And my duty is to make it look like wrinkles. I don't want to get too carried away with the wrinkles in the back of the pants. I'm putting the fringe on. To make the fringe, I'm running monster clay through my pasta machine. what I do is I flatten out the monster clay, and then I cut a small section of that I run through the spaghetti making part of the pasta machine. And I bring it up and put it on the seam of the shotgun chap. And then I just bring it down. This way I keep all my fringe even, the way it would be in real life. And then I gotta go and blend it into the leggings. You gotta be careful not to have it all strung out there too much, because then it gets hard to cast it. So you gotta be mindful of your mold maker and keeping him happy. All right, there's the fringe on this side. When I get done putting the fringe on both sides, I'll paint it to match the clay. But that does add nicely to it. And I figured I'd go ahead and put it on now. That way I can see what part of the shaft I need to finish off. I think that looks pretty good. I think it adds nicely to the total. All right, everybody. That'll have to do it for tonight. And I'm happy the way this turned out. This all looks really good. I think the pockets turned out okay. I've got to work on the pockets for the front of the chap, and then I can bring the sculpting stand down. I've got it up at the maximum height of the stand. I'll bring it down so I can work on the upper part a little more comfortably, so I'm not stretching all the way up here. The reason I've got it up so high right now is so I can work on the bottom part of this sculpture first. I like to start usually from the bottom and work up. And usually I start out with the face, so I got everything, the character already built in. But I didn't do it this time. All right, everybody, have a great night, and I'll see you tomorrow. This is just taking a long time, and I'm sorry, it's just the way it is. Good night. If you like this video, please like and subscribe to my channel. It really would help me. Also, check out the link below this video. It will take you to a review of my 9 instructional videos that could be very helpful to you if you're thinking of sculpting. Good night, everybody.